I'll click on the Start menu. Now there are two sections in the Start menu. There's the Pin section and the Recommended section. So on the Pin section, you can group apps into folders. So for example, I have some Office applications here, Excel, OneNote, Word, and PowerPoint, and I am going to group them into a folder. So I'm going to drag OneNote into Excel. I'll drag it here, and it automatically creates a folder. I'll drag Word, and I'll also drag PowerPoint into the folder, and it creates a folder with my Office applications. I'm going to click on the folder, and I can type in a name for this folder. So I'm going to say Office app. I can move around the apps here, and I can also right click, for example PowerPoint, and click on Move to Front, and it moves to the front. I can also right click and I can select Pin to Taskbar, and I can also uninstall it. And if I need to remove these apps from the folder, I can just drag it back into the Pin section like this. So I'll drag all of it back to the pinned section, and now the folder disappears. So I'll right click the desktop, select Personalize, click on Start. So this is the Start layout, and there are three sections. Now there's also Show Recently Apps. You can use the toggle switch and turn it on and off. Also Show Most Used Apps. You can also turn this off, and Show Recently Open Items in Start, Jump List, and File Explorer. You can also turn this off. Right now it's on default here, the Start menu. I'm going to select More Pins. So if you want to show more pins, you can select this one, More Pins. When I click on the Start, more pins are shown here and less of the recommended. I'll click on More Recommendations, and when I click on the Start menu, there's more of the recommended and less pin apps. I'm going to set it back to default. So on this section, it says Folders, and it says these folders appear on the Start next to the Power button. So that will be here. So I'm going to click on this. So for example, I want the settings icon next to the power button. I just have to turn it on. When I click on the Start menu, it's here. I can also do this with File Explorer, and it's here.